showed me what life really means. You explained the meaning of every pain I've seen. You couldn't lighten your sorrow even after you cried. I hid my pain behind a borrowed smile. They never let go of my hand. You never truly hold me tight. What kind of love is this? They don't call me a stranger, but never call me theirs. I've grown used to just killing time. No courage left to share what's mine. Every lost dream, every shattered plan. Life taught me nothing here truly belongs to man. Reading a heart in silence feels right. Saying everything out loud isn't wise. The fire of separation keeps burning me inside. Smiling every time just isn't right. Something strange is happening in this journey of time. A deep, heavy silence lives within my mind. In the journey of love, your shadow walked beside me. Now only loneliness remains around me. The echo of your laughter still hurts my ears. Your leaving makes my heart drown in tears. On moonlit nights my soul looks for your face. Even the winds whisper your name in the space. It's easy to build a house on solid ground, but earning a place in a heart takes a lifetime around. Don't try so hard to call it love. That love starts feeling like a trade instead of trust. You're walking away and I won't wait again. Maybe someday our paths will cross in the end. But even if I see you face to face, fall in love again.